Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Rider Ramblings. It's another beautiful day. It seems that we're being quite lucky at the moment, although I have been caught with a bit of rain recently. Right, anyhow. The news is that by the time this video is released, I will have had the operation. I'm scheduling this to be released the day after the operation, and I'm assuming that I won't be in much of a fit state to give you any information, though there will be one that I'll pre-record, which will tell you about my visit to the anaesthetist. But you'll have to wait for that one, and I might actually add some information about the operation on that, so that we finish it all off. Anyhow, so let me bring you up to date as much as I can. As I say, I saw the surgeon who's going to do the operation. Really nice bloke. He's ex-military, facial reconstruction surgeon. Worked in Afghanistan and a couple of other hot spots around the world for the French military. And as I say, he's a really nice bloke as well. He sort of explained what was going to happen. Didn't go into great detail, but basically I'm going to have a large portion of skin taken off my nose and some of the tissue underneath that, and it'll also include a little piece of my cheek where it joins the nose. Then, and this is a bit which I think I was telling you about last time, they're going to use skin from my cheek to repair or replace the skin that they take off from my nose. So I can't actually see how they're going to manage to take or stretch 2 centimeters of skin from my cheek to cover approximately the 2 centimeters that they're going to remove from my nose. But then, of course, I'm not a surgeon and don't understand these things. He gave me about 4,500 forms to fill in, and all sorts of things. I did the hospital admission system online. That's all been done. Again, they asked for, I think, copies of virtually everything that they could think of. I'm surprised they didn't ask for copies of various bits of my body. But they didn't, so that was good. And go on then, scooter rider, if you want to kill yourself, you can kill yourself. Yes. I'm going to work, I don't need to kill myself. There's no reason I shall be going past Roland Garros today. Yes, Roland Garros is on at the moment, and I'm assuming it's going to be an absolute bun fight there, going past that. But anyhow, getting back, so they're going to remove, as I say, this section of my nose and then stretch the skin from my cheek over the removed piece of my nose. I really don't know how they're going to do this. As I say, I'm not a surgeon. Anyhow, I go in on the Thursday afternoon, and say they do the op Thursday afternoon, and I come out again at about 8 o'clock Thursday night. This is the information I've been given, and I then have to have a nurse come round and attend to the dressings and so on for an unspecified period of time. I'm not too sure how long that is, but I'm sure somebody will tell me. The other thing is that I've got to visit the anaesthetist, and that's on this coming Friday. So that's 1 week before you see this video. And as I say, he wants to know just about everything there is to know about me. How many times I've been in hospital, what I was in hospital for. Did I have any problems when I was in hospital when I was born? I mean, that's a really long time ago, and I have no idea. So I really don't know. I mean, he didn't want to just know about medication and blood group, which, you know, is sensible. But he wanted to know about, as I say, operations going back a very long time. And as I say, I found that the amount of information they needed was quite strange. As I say, we have a number of scooter riders who seem to want to get themselves killed in front. As I say, I'm going to work. I don't really mind about it. Anyhow, that's all I can tell you at the present time, because that's all I know. Say, I'll tell you about the visit to the anaesthetist, which you'll get, as I say, in about a couple of weeks' time. Right, so that's that. Yes. Oh, a little piece of advice. I was doing some DIY with my face covered with still covered with a bandage. There's still a bandage on my nose from the biopsy, and it will probably be there for at least another week or so. And I was putting up a light fitting in one of the bedrooms, or changing the light fitting. Madame decided she needed more light, and so I had to drill into the concrete ceiling. We live in an apartment, so everything is concrete, and it's pretty hard concrete as well. So if you have a bandage on your face, don't drill into a concrete ceiling, because I'll give you one guess exactly where all the dust goes. Yeah, straight down the bandage. You got that right. Anyhow, say I'm off to work, and I've got to go past Roland Garros, and I don't know who's playing, so I might actually avoid that, but I will keep the camera running in case Roland Garros is a real bun fight and so on. I'll say thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell us about your operations. And I'll see you next time.